Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. If your screen is flickering, first adjust the brightness and settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Display, then disable Adaptive Brightness because it can increase so much that you can't see anything. Adjust the brightness manually to find the setting that works best for you. Next, download a screen dimming app from the Play Store, like Screen Dimmer OLED Saver by Ruhahax. It's only 1.5 MB. Install and open it. Grant permissions to modify system settings for brightness and to accessibility settings for overlay updates when rotating or using the keyboard. Enable the brightness bar, and you can tap it to change brightness. In the brightness settings, you have extra dim and advanced settings like minimal physical brightness, change delay, and duration to customize it further. As a last resort, update your software. Open Settings, scroll down to About Tablet, tap System Update, and it checks automatically. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to keep up with the latest software. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.